We spend time together. Even if it's just for 5 minutes, I'm going to make the 5 minutes memorable. Now, before we get started, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe to this awesome and amazing channel. Also, put 7 in the comment section so you can get yourself 7 free days of my online workout program. If you're looking to lose 20 to 40 pounds quickly, if you're looking to get rid of your Fupa quickly, if you want to look like the stars that I train quickly before your next event, put 7 in the comments. I'll give you 7 free days of my online workout program. Then it's only $30 a month after that. So your 5 minutes starts now. Now, this is what I need, okay? All we're going to do, we're going to clap it up for 10, okay? So we're going to work your abs. We also going to work your inner thighs. So we clap it. Boom, 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 boom. We're going 10, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you made 10, put 10 in the comment section. Same move. Same move. But I want to do 20, okay? I want to do 20. Same move. Now, if you can't hold your feet up the entire time, you can, boom, just tap your heels like that, okay? In 5, I'm going 20. 4, 3, 2, 1. Get it to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. If you made 20, put 20 in the comment section for me, please. I want to do that one more time, please. Can I do it one more time? Do I have permission to do it one more time, please? Okay, I want to go 30. Same move. Same move. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Going 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 more, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, if you made 30. Put 30 in the comment section for me, please. Now, this is what I need. We gonna rock. And we gonna rock steady. We gonna be steady rocking all night long. So you're gonna go elbows to knees. Okay? You're gonna bring your elbows and your knees together, and you're gonna do it in a fashion that's high and low. So you'll be here, you're gonna rock, touch, 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 touch. Let's start off with 10. Let's start off with 10 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rock with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You made 10. Put 10 in the comments. Same move. I need 20. I need 20, 20, 20. Same move, please. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Going 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. If you made 20. If you made 20. Twin, put 20, twin in the comment section for the win, for the win, for the win. I need that one more time. I need it one more time. And I might go over 5 minutes, so y'all gotta excuse me. Here we go. In 4, 3, going 30, same move. 3, 2, 1, give it to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. If you made 30, put 30 in the comment section. I just got one more move. I got one more move, and I'll leave you be. Grab a chair, grab a stool, okay? This is all we got. We got one round of this, and this is how we're gonna rock it, because we're gonna hit the lower abs, the fupa, but we also gonna hit your hip flexors. I like to call that the path to righteousness. So when you throw that bikini on, you know those lines, yes, that part right there, that's what we're working, and we're gonna work your inner thigh. So this is how we rolling, y'all, okay? So we'll be here, boom, drop it back down. So it's here, 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 here. Need 20 of them, I'll leave you alone. I'll leave you alone. Just need one round. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Get it to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. Yes! If you made 20, put 20 in the comment section for me. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me. And as a parting word, I want to leave this with you. You like homework. Trust more, doubt less. Trust more, doubt less. Start trusting yourself. Start trusting your purpose. Start trusting the fact that if something has been laid on your heart to do, you're more than equipped to do it. Because again, a lot of times we get bothered when we receive a vision. We tell somebody else about the vision and they don't get it. They're not supposed to get it because it was given to you. It's time to start operating in faith instead of doing what we always do, operating in fear. We're not doing fear anymore because it don't produce nothing. It don't produce nothing. So start walking in your faith. Start believing in yourself again. Start believing that if you want to lose 20, you can do it. If you want to get down to a size 8, 10, 12, whatever your number is, start believing it. Start believing that if you wanted to start that business, yes, you could, because there's evidence of other people doing the same things you want to do. Start believing that that relationship is for you. If somebody else got one, you can have one too. So again, we're not going to talk ourselves out of stuff. We're going to start talking ourselves into stuff. That's how we roll it. Moving forward. So thank y'all again. For my late people, don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe to this awesome and amazing channel. Again, put 7 in the comments to get 7 free days of my online workout program. After that, it's only $30 a month. After that, I'm going to try it before you buy it type of dude. So if you're trying to lose 20 to 40 before your next event, if you're trying to get rid of your Fupa, because I am King Fupa, and there's no Fupa I can't get rid of. So if you got belly issues or bellies, plural, bring it to the altar. We gonna get it gone. And if you want to look snatched and you want to look like the stars that I train, come on. I look forward to training you personally, and we're gonna do this thing together with my awesome group of women that I call the bricks, because that's short for brick houses, and that's what I build, brick houses. Look, not the little stick figure things with the big head. We don't do that. We build bodies that will attract so you'll never have to chase. How about that? So we're going to attract more, chase less. How about that? So love y'all. Thank y'all so much for hanging. Again, I'm Kenya Crookston, world's greatest weight loss expert and King Fupa of all the Fupas that's out there that I'm getting rid of. So I look forward to helping you be good. I'm gone. Thanks for hanging.